Hey y'all, welcome back or welcome if you're new. Today is episode 2 of Spooktacular, and as you can see, I'm doing some regular cleaning because I'm about to get dinner started. We're having lasagna tonight, so I will show y'all that. I'm also going to be making some fall pumpkin sugar cookies, and I'm going to take y'all to Dollar Tree. There will be a haul later on in this video with all the DIYs that I plan on doing during the Spooktacular. And I'm also going to show you the update on the fall garden because our pumpkins and zucchini are doing really well, and I want to show y'all how big they're getting, and I hope that I have a pumpkin before Halloween so I can carve it. But if you're new here, I would love for you to subscribe and join the family. And if you are returning, I am so thankful that you are here, and I hope all of you enjoy today's video. I'm gonna let those cookies, what is on my face? Sauce. I'm gonna let those cookies cool off real quick, and then I'll put them on a platter. Look how big that cloud is. Oh, come on, do it justice. Those are what I call popcorn clouds. So beautiful. I wish y'all could see the detail. It's amazing. And then there's a big one right there too, but it's mostly gray, so it's hard to tell. And then we got clouds coming over here. I tell y'all, I get the best view of the clouds. It has been a minute since I updated y'all on the garden, so I figured I would show you what's over here. Here's the elephant ears. They're getting big. That, I believe, I don't know. Y'all hear the thunder? I think it's gonna rain. So I still got some flowers. Let's see what we got. I think this is a squash plant. Zucchini. This is the cucumber. These, I'm pretty sure, are the pumpkin, and I know that they are the pumpkin because they have crawlers. So excited. I'm gonna get a pumpkin. So cool. Anyways, that's it. I do have a bean plant here and one over there, but I don't think they're gonna do much. Let's go to Dollar Tree. Alright y'all, I'm back home to show you what I picked up at Dollar Tree. If you're wanting to do DIYs, you might want to go out and get the stuff as soon as possible because my Dollar Tree did not have a lot of that stuff left. But let me show you what I got. You may hear Erin in the background fixing food. Well, sometimes I say like, oh, sorry if y'all hear them, and then on the camera I don't hear it. My ears are just a lot more sensitive, I guess. But, okay, I got this just regular fall leaf. You can paint it, you can do whatever you want with it, but my plan for this is Dollar Tree also has these peel and stick wallpapers. So my plan for this, I love these patterns by the way. My plan for this is to trace the leaf on here. Cut this out to the shape of the leaf, and then literally just put this on the leaf, and it will just be a cute little piece of decor. So got that. I got this Styrofoam Pumpkin because I've seen so many people just cut out, and it actually already has the line for you to cut out, but they cut out the top of it and then they put flowers, like faux flowers on the top, and they paint this, or they put fabric around this part of it to make it look a lot nicer than just a regular Styrofoam pumpkin. So that's another idea. Then this one I think is me because it's simple, but it's just taking a candle, and you can get whatever size jar you want. This is the one I got because this is the tallest candles they had at Dollar Tree. So you do this, you stick the candle in the middle, and then you take popcorn and just basically cover the candle. That way it makes it look a lot nicer and perfect for fall. It's going to be really pretty. That's probably one of the ones I'm most excited about, even though it's so simple. And I found this popcorn in the like snack section where you get the candy and stuff. It was not in the regular food section if you want to find it, but it's not buttered or anything, which is what I prefer for this because I don't want it to be oily or anything. So it's just plain corn seeds. I don't even know what that is. Okay, I got some of these because we were out of them. They're just scouring pads. These aren't the best. Like, I can tell they're not very good quality, but they do have quite a few in there, and it's better than using like a washcloth. I got a pair of scissors for all these crafts because I can't find mine, and when I do, because I use them to prune my rose bush, they kind of suck now. I got these. I've got some of these already. It's just in different colors, but these are like a faux leather, and they have the clip on the back, so you can use these for all different types of things. So there's toilet paper roll DIY, where you take a full-size roll of toilet paper and then you wrap fabric or whatever you want around it. So I picked up these bandanas. There's a spider web one and then a regular orange and black plaid one. This is the only ones they had there, and all I'm gonna do is wrap it around the toilet paper, and then you put like a little stick or whatever in the center of it to where it looks like a pumpkin. So what I'm going to do, instead of doing the stick, I'm just going to wrap the toilet paper with this, and then I bought ribbon. The orange ribbon is going to be for the orange and plaid one, and then I got the purple ribbon for the black one, and I'm just going to make cute little decorative Halloween decors out of toilet paper. Isn't that funny? Okay, and that's everything I got because that is all they had. They didn't even have a pumpkin like this. They were all gone. They did have a lot of Halloween stuff, which is odd to me because I feel like Halloween comes before, well, it does. I know fall comes before Halloween, but the holidays, I feel like Halloween comes before Thanksgiving and all of that. So it's interesting that they don't have a lot of fall stuff left, but they have quite a bit of Halloween stuff. Anyways, that's it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're new. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see y'all back here tomorrow because my plan is to upload a decorate with me video. I'm also gonna make those meatballs, well, sausage balls, and I'm going to do one of these DIYs. So let me know in the comments down below, what DIY do you want to see first, and that's the one we'll do. Alright, bye!